Hi everyone and welcome to our newest idiom video. Today's idiom is to be off the hook. Now this idiom has a few meanings, but for this video we're going to look at just one. If someone is let off the hook, it means they have avoided difficulties, blame, or responsibility. As usual, watch the following clip from the film Toy Story 3 to see it being used.
Can I have your computer?
No.
Your video games?
Forget it, Molly.
Okay, Andy, let's get to work here. Anything you're not taking to college either goes in the attic or it's trash.
Mom, I'm not leaving till Friday.
Come on, it's garbage day.
Mom.
Look, it's simple. Skateboard, college. Little League trophy, probably attic. Apple core, trash. You can do the rest.
Why do you still have these toys?
Molly, out of my room.
3 more days and it's mine.
Molly, you're not off the hook either. You have more toys than you know what to do with. Some of them could make other kids really happy.
What kids?
The children at the daycare. They're always asking for donations.
What's daycare?
No buts. You choose the toys you want to donate. I'll drop them off at Sunnyside.
And here are a few more sentences for you to see it being used more. Number 1. I thought you were the guilty one. I thought you had broken the computer, but I was wrong. I found out it was your younger brother, so you're off the hook. Number 2. It was my son's turn to do the washing up, but my daughter happily did it instead, so he was let off the hook. Number 3. You said you didn't break that window, but you're not off the hook unless you can prove it. And that's it, everyone. Thank you again very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then you'll get notified about all our newest video releases. Just make sure that your notifications bell is turned on, and after that, just wait. So until next time, thank you and bye.